This is the under frequency relay trainer kit. Here we are going to perform two experiments. First experiment is to study the working of under frequency experiment, and next is to study the working of over frequency experiment. So here this is the frequency relay, and this is the three-phase direct online starter panel. So from here we are going to get the three-phase supply R, Y, B, and this is EMT1, and this is the three-phase multifunction power cum energy meter panel, or we call it EMT34. So here we can measure the three-phase RYB current, voltage, power, and power factor, and we can also measure the energy also. And this is the three-phase step-down transformer. Its primary voltage is 415 volt AC and secondary voltage is 110 AC. So here the supply 415 volt is stepped down to 110. Then this is the over and under frequency relay. All the connection of this relay is taken out on this panel, and we will do the connection from this panel for the two experiment. And this is the overcurrent measurement and elapsed time counter, which we have seen in the previous experiment. Now let's proceed to the experiment.
In this experiment, we are going to perform the overfrequency detection. The circuit is connected as per the wiring sequence given in the lab manual, and before we start, we have to turn on the power supply and EMT1 MCB. So let's turn this MCB. After turning on this MCB, we have to wait frequency relay to indicate 15 on its display. We have to give the relay setting input for over frequency relay. For relay setting, we have to press the menu key and check for the channel 1 if the value is 1.01. If it is 1.01, we have to press the enter key and again press the menu key and check the frequency. The frequency should be 49.8, and so enter and press menu key, and time second is 5, so enter menu key, and again check if the drop off frequency is 1.5 and press enter. And for channel 2 setting, we have to give the value 2.02 and enter, and press the menu button and check the frequency if it is 48, and if it is 48 then press enter key, and again we have to press menu key and check the time. If it is 5 seconds, we have to press enter and drop off frequency to be 0.1. After setting the relay, we have to press the reset. After setting the relay display will show 15. We have to put the bypass switch to the right hand side that is closed, and simultaneously push the push button and the EMT1 at the same time. The time showing here is the total time that the frequency relay takes for the self-check and the relay to trip. So after the self-checking, we have to check the time, the second here the relay takes to trip. The frequency relay takes 15 seconds to do its self-checking, so the time taken by the relay to trip is 3.6 seconds. In this experiment, we are going to perform the under frequency detection. The wiring is done as per the wiring sequence given in the lab manual, and after wiring is done, we have to turn on the power supply and this EMT1 MCB. After turning this MCB on, we have to wait for the frequency relay to show 15 on its display. After showing 15, we are going to give relay setting for frequency to detect under frequency. We are going to give the relay setting by using this 4 button. This is menu, increment, decrement and enter. So we have to press the menu button, and this is for the channel 1, and we have to give the value 1.01 by using the increment and decrement. And after that we have to press the enter key. After every input we have to press the enter key. Next, after pressing menu, we have to give the value 52 by using the same process and enter, press enter. And after that, this is the time. We have to give 5 seconds and enter. And again menu, we have the drop frequency 0.1 and enter. And for channel 2 setting, we have to give the value 2.01 and enter. After that, we have to press menu and enter the value frequency 49.8 and enter, and press menu again and time 5 seconds, enter, menu 1.5 drop frequency, enter, and again menu. And after setting the relay, we have to press the reset. Setting, after giving the relay setting, we have to put this bypass switch to the right hand side and put this switch push button and EMT1 start button also. And the frequency relay will do self check, and after self check, during self check, it will also indicate the setting we have given. And after self checking, when the frequency is below the channel 1, it will trip, the relay will trip. So channel 1 reads and channel 1 trip will glow, and here is the time taken to trip by the relay.